Hi guys, it's me, Teacher Janet. Okay guys, may dumating na bagong parcel kahapon. Okay, hello mga ka-teachers. If you're looking for a simple but effective way to motivate your learners, let me share one of my favorite classroom tools. This is stickers. Okay, let's open it. So, kararating lang niya kahapon guys. Ayan. Naka-bubble wrap pa siya. So guys, murang-mura lang to. Kaya, alam niyo ba guys, ever since I started using these sticker stars, mas naging excited ang mga learners ko na sumali sa class activities. Ayan guys, hindi na sila mahiyang mag-recite at mas active pa sila sa group activities at mas eager silang tapusin ang kanilang seat work at classroom task. Ayan guys, ayan ang aking binibigay sa aking mga learners. Ayan ang kanilang mga, wait lang, murang-mura lang siya guys, lalo na yun sa mga teachers. Kung gusto nyo maging active sila at maging masigla sila sa kanilang recitation. Ayan guys. Ang tagal ko nang ginagamit ito guys. Yung aking mga kako-teachers dyan, yung aking mga kaguro, lahat ng mga teachers, ayan, gamitin nyo to guys. Talagang effective. Here's how I use them. Every time a learner participates in recitation, answers correctly, shows good behavior, finishes an activity on time, helps a classmate, or follows classroom rules, they earn one sticker. Like this guys. Simple lang, pero sobrang effective. Ayan guys, tingnan mo. Ayan. Iipunin lang nila guys. Ang pinaka-exciting part, hindi lang basta sticker ang nakukuha nila. Iipon nila ang kanilang sticker stars at once na nakaipon sila ng enough stars, pwede nila itong gamitin bilang pangbayad sa aming Brainy Kids Store guys. So alam nyo, hindi lang yung aming Brainy Kids Store, talagang makakabili sila ng mga items. Sa Brainy Kids Store kasi guys, may iba't ibang rewards na pwedeng pagpilian ng mga kids tulad ng pencils, erasers, puzzles, crayons, notebooks, small toys, at mabang school supplies. So, very useful talaga yung aking binibigay sa aking Brainy Kids Store. Kaya talagang mamomotivate silang lahat gumawa ng kanilang best everyday, guys. At saka alam nyo ba guys, napansin ko rin na mas naging positive ang classroom environment namin. Instead of forcing the learners to participate, sila na mismo ang nagvo-volunteer. Guys, ayan o, tingnan nyo. Sila na nagvo-volunteer. Tingnan nyo guys, talagang napaka-effective nito. They become more confident, responsible, and excited to learn because they know that every effort is recognized. Ay, nako guys. Okay guys, if you are a teacher or even a parent who wants to encourage positive behavior and active participation, I highly recommend. Ayan guys, dalawa yung aking in-order. I highly recommend these stars. These sticker stars. Wait lang guys, kukunin ko. Dalawa kasi na, bali marami na kasi ako nabili nito. Ayan, ang dami ko nang na-order kasi paubos na nga guys. Ayan. So, I highly recommend these sticker stars. Ayan, nag-ano na siya guys. They are affordable, colorful, and perfect for motivating young learners. Guys, ayan. I'll put the link below if you want to check them out. I hope they can help make your classroom just as fun and engaging as they have in mind. Happy teaching everyone. See you in my next video. Bye! Ayan guys, so ilalagay ko na sa yellow basket. Bye!